With the Python file set up properly in VS Code, we are now ready to write our first program. The first program we're gonna write is a software development convention started in 1970s. When you Google Hello World program, you can find different versions of the Hello World written in different computer programming languages. And for Python, it is extremely easy. All you need to do is simply put a print statement and followed by Hello World. And once you finish this, simply click the Run Python File button on the top right corner of the VS Code. And after I click this, you see this terminal return the message Hello World. This is simply repeating what I put in print. And I can also do many things in print. I can print an integer as well. So basically I can put 300 plus 200 and let it run. So now it will run both Python statements. I put it in hello world plus 500, which is a calculation after we add 300 and 200 together. So this is the simplest Python program we can write today.